Oh shit. No, yeah, dude, it's my fucking birthday. I'm finally the big fucking 18, bro. Oh, weird feeling, weird feeling. Fuck, dude, I just got on. I'm gonna play like shit. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Kyle keeps getting on fucking Black Ops 3. Ooh. Soccer ball. Get the fuck out of my way, bitch. Ooh. Get the fuck out of here. That's it. I'm gonna beat the fuck. Ooh. Ew. Oh my god. We're just gonna play. We're just gonna play. If I play like shit, fuck it. Fuck it. Yeah, thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. Yeah, appreciate it, guys. Oh, fuck. I don't even know where I'm dropping yet. I really am just a fucking variety streamer now. I just be playing whatever. Fuck it. If my job gets contested, I'm gonna get so fucking pissed. I'm gonna get so pissy. No, not dropping there. I'm dropping out of here. Alex better not send me something fucking weird while I'm streaming, I swear. Unless you guys can't see that. Can you guys see my Steam overlays or no? I don't know. The fuck is that grass on the fucking oh my motherfucker! My god. I'm already fucking not in the mood. Move. Alright, cool. I got the necessities. Now where the fuck is a gun? The fuck? What even is that? Emergency pickup. I don't even know what that is. I'm gonna be honest. I don't play the game that much, fuck's sake. Gonna be honest with you. Don't know. I hate this gun, but it's okay. It's fine. Hit It and Quit It is now live. Who the fuck is that, chat? Who the fuck is in my Discord that just went live and their username is Hit It and Quit? Motherfucker, I just got kicked out of my game. Alright, we're back. What the hell? Oh shit, gunshots. Chat. It's bugging, it's bugging. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Someone's got a whack ass username. I don't know what that's about. I don't know nothing about all that. Hit it and quit it. I don't know. Yeah, no. Fuck. I don't know. I just be getting fucking. I just be feeling weird. I'm dead. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Hit. Oh my god. I lasered the fuck out of that guy. There's another one over here. You better have had fucking heals or I'm gonna be pissed. Or something. Something. I'm literally. Oh, fuck. Ooh. Sorry. Start screaming. The DP. Ooh. Yeah, I'm 18. I can say that. I don't have. Oh my god. Oh wait, yeah. It takes that. I don't need 45. There's a kid way out there. I'm not tripping. Oh, he's fighting someone. Hold up. Where's that car at? Am I bugging or was there a car somewhere? My god! Come on, hurry! Oh, I need to find a car. Oh no, the fight's gonna be over. Come on. Oh, I gotta reload this. Fast Tracing just went live. Oh my god. Come on, hop in the fucking whip. Bro, this car's nicer than mine. What the fuck? I see him. Target locked. Target locked. Don't die. Oh, you son of a bitch. You fucking whore. You took my kill. Hello. Peek it. Peek it, whore. Got him. Alright, let me in here. Holy shit, I'm low. Ah, God, I got shot! Oh, God. We gotta use the bandages. Dude, what am I on? What am I fucking on? I look like the Renegade Raider. Low-key. Low-key. With this helmet on? Yeah, I could see it. Come on. Come on. Come on, pussy. What's taking so long? Holy shit. I didn't realize it hurt that bad. Holy. Oh my god, I love this gun. I'm not even fucking trolling. I love this gun. This is like my favorite gun besides the AKM. Watch this guy have the AKM. I'm getting shot at. I'm getting shot at. Where is this guy shooting me from? Oh my god, no, 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 no. Not like this. I can't go out like this. What is the emergency pickup? I still... Oh, it gives me a description. Make your escape by deploying the... Motherfucker, you interrupted me. Make your escape by ooh, voice crack. What the... Oh, shit. I'm ADHD. Hold on. I forgot to read it. Okay. Make your escape by deploying the Fulton balloon and hooking onto the rope. Be prepared, or you'll miss your flight. Okay, so it's like a fucking rift to go, essentially. Don't shoot at me. Come on. Let's be mature. Okay. What does this guy have? 7.62. He had a fucking AKM. I fucking knew it. I'm not taking it, though. I'm not taking that. Wait, do I have... What armor do I have? Oh, I only have a level 1 fucking armor. Oh my god. I'm in shambles. You mother... Yeah, bitch. Fuck out of here. I got nervous. I thought I heard another one. Get the fuck out of here for shooting at me, you fucking... Ooh. Pissing me off. We're gonna loot this person, and we're gonna hop in the whip and just head the fuck out. Oh shit, there's more. Here, let me hop in the car. I'm fucking nervous. There are people fucking everywhere. Oh my god. Alright. Can I... Yeah. One right here. Come here, you fucking dinosaur. I missed. Oh no. I took a lot of damage. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Give me up. Give me up. He's shooting at me. Please. Please don't kill me. Psych. Fuck you at. Pussy. I'm scared. I'm so fucking nervous. I want to get a chicken dinner. Motherfucker. I'm gonna hop in the whip and leave. He's right here. He's literally right here. He's running. Wait, where the fuck is he? Oh my, okay, I hit him once. Oh fuck, there's another one coming up. Motherfucker, dude, I saw you! Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. Man, I got my ass popped. The fuck was that about?